Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's see what we are going to create today. First of all, I thank you for your love and support. As you can see, with the help of you, we will reach the target of 100 subscribers in a few days. I hope you will constantly give me love and support. Please subscribe us to increase my YouTube family. As you can see, we just add background and the text. Now we add some animator on text layer. Go to text layer. Click on Animate, select Rotation Animator. Now we add property, click on Add button, then click Enable Pre-Character 3D. We change Y rotation value to 90 degree. Now click on Add button, then click Opacity. We also change opacity value to 0%. Go to Range Selector. Now add first start keyframe on 0.15 seconds. Now go to 2 second, and change the start value to 100%. Now our animation look like this. Please give me 5 likes on this video to inspire me to create more videos. Now select both keyframe. Right click on it, go to the keyframe assistant and select Easy Ease. Now go to Graph Editor, and if your graph editor does not look like this, then right-click and select Edit Speed Graph, not Value Graph. Now change the curve something like that. Now our animation look like this. Now click on Guide option icon, and select Proportional Grid. Now we break the text, select Rectangle tool, and draw a mask something like that. Now we duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl D. Press M for mask, and change it to subtract. Here is bottom text and here is upper. Select both text layers, press P for position. Now add first keyframe, then go forward, add second keyframe, we change position value something like that. Now turn off proportional grid. Now we draw a rectangle like that, and fill with white color. We also adjust the size of rectangle. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon for latest videos. Now we add text on it, and adjust the size and alignment. We hide the text layer by click on eye icon. Select Shape Layer, press S for Scale. Now add first keyframe, then go backward, we change scale value to 0%. Select all keyframes. Right-click on it, go to the keyframe assistant and select Easy Ease. Now unhide the text layer. Then duplicate the shape layer by pressing Ctrl D. Adjust it top of text layer. If you do not see the switch mode, press F4 to display it. Select text layer and change matte to alpha matte. If you have a special request, please comment it. You will get the free project file of this animation by giving this video 5 likes and comments. Now select text layer. Go to Effects and Presets, type Gradient Ramp. Apply it on layer, we adjust the color. Now we copy the effects by Ctrl C, and paste it on other text layer, by Ctrl V. Now our animation look like this. Now we change the keyframe speed of all layer. Select layer, then press U for keyframe setting, select both keyframe, open graph editor, adjust the curves something like that. Again select both keyframe, open graph editor, adjust the curves something like that. Again select both keyframe, open graph editor, adjust the curves something like that. Again select both keyframe, open graph editor, adjust the curves something like that. Select all layer then press Ctrl-Shift-C for pre-compose. We call it start animation. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon for latest videos. Now we duplicate the pre-compose by Ctrl-D. We also change the composition setting. Change duration value to 10 seconds. Please give me 5 likes on this video to inspire me to create more videos. Now we drag the pre-compose just like that, right-click go to time, select time reverse layer. You will get the free project file of this animation, by giving this video 5 likes and comments. Please give your love and support to this channel, to reach the target of 100 subscribers, within this month. I hope this video help you, to increase your After Effects skill. We will meet on next tutorial. Goodbye.